Hi, this is Tene Williams, your Achievers Only business coaching guru. Today we're going to talk about how to file a corporation and get how easy it is. You don't have to pay an attorney thousands of dollars to get this done for you. I do it all the time. I filed and own at least 5 corporations and or LLCs, and it's very, very simple. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Google.com. I love Google, or whatever search engine you would prefer to use, but I like Google. And you want to search for your local Secretary of State. Normally, the Secretary of State is the one that handles filings of corporations and or limited liability companies, nonprofit corporations, or nonprofit or for-profit corporations, S corps, the whole thing. So you want to Google, let's say, New York Secretary of State. Now, actually, for New York, you don't want, it's not the Secretary of State that handles it, but it's the Department of Corporations. But it's a good starting point to start with the Secretary of State, and from there they'll usually have a link to the actual separate Division of Financial Services or whatever it is for your state. Then you can file the paperwork right online. Most of the states have the paperwork right online in a simple filing system. You put your name, the other members or corporate officers' names of the company, and you put how many par shares of stock. If it's a limited liability company, you list your members. You're either a member or a manager. And as far as whether or not you want to do a corporation or a limited liability company, it's up to the tax situation of what you're doing. And you may want to consult with an attorney just for that purpose. You can consult with a local attorney and find out exactly for the business that you're in what would be best, a corporation or a limited liability company, an S corp, a nonprofit corporation, or whatever the issue may be. The next thing you want to do is go to Atlantic Kits. Now, I love this company because it gives you your operating agreement, your articles of organization, your corporate charter, your stamp, your engraved stamp for your new company, and everything. All of that can be had right through Atlantic Kits for $25. You'll get all of the templates that you need to file your meetings and your minutes and everything that you will need to actually get your corporation or LLC up and running the proper way. So the next thing you want to do is file for your FEIN number, which is your Federal Employer Tax Identification Number. And I'll give you a quick tip on that. When it comes to filing for your FEIN, you need the FEIN in order to separate yourself from your business. So the first thing you want to do is just Google FEIN online. Actually, somewhere here on my site, I do have a article that tells you exactly how to do it. You can look in the B2B section under categories, B2B business tips under categories, and you'll find an article there that'll tell you exactly how to file a Federal Employer Identification Number. It's very important that you do state that you will have or intend to have employees. And number one, you definitely intend to have employees. And you intend to have employees because you are your first employee. You have to separate yourself from your business. And you have to, once you have your business, you need to pay yourself a salary. And I suggest you do that through a company like ADP or ask your local bank. When you go to open your business bank account, you want to find out from them what payroll services they have available, and you want to make yourself an employee. Congratulations on your new business. Congratulations on separating yourself from your business, and no more commingling funds. Now you know what your business expenses are. Now you know how much you're actually making, because you can figure out what you want to pay yourself. How about that?